Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Jamaicans who have a family history of scoliosis are being encouraged to do regular screening. Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's edition of the Health Report.
Scoliosis is where the spine twists and curves to the side. The curve usually looks like a backward C shape and involves the spine bending sideways to the right. Consultant orthopedic and spinal surgeon Dr. Andrew Bogle says the condition affects up to 2% of the Jamaican population.
Interestingly, there's been an increase in the cases of scoliosis. This is partly due to the increased awareness and health-seeking behaviors of individuals. Scoliosis is most commonly seen in the preteen and teenage years, with the females being 10 times more likely to be affected than their male counterparts.
The cause of scoliosis is not known, but recognizing the signs of the condition is critical for early intervention.
Things that they should look out for include abnormal tilting of the head or truncal shape. That is, the patient looks like they're leaning to one side or the other, or they may notice that one shoulder is higher than the other, a prominent shoulder blade, or they may notice that the waist is tilted with one hip being higher than the other. Additionally, when asked to bend forward at the waist, you may notice an increased prominence of the ribs or the lower back, which is termed a rib hump.
While most cases are mild, when the condition is severe, it results in pain and breathing problems, making it difficult for persons to function effectively daily. An X-ray usually confirms the diagnosis. However, if one has a family history of scoliosis, regular screening is necessary. Treatment for scoliosis includes observation, bracing, and surgery. In the meantime, Dr. Bogle addressed some misconceptions about the condition.
It's actually a myth with the heavy bags or poor posture or lack of calcium contributing does not contribute to scoliosis. Additionally, I want to highlight is that the role of physical activity and scoliosis, where physical activity is actually beneficial to a patient with scoliosis unless there's experiencing pain or otherwise instructed not to participate in physical activity by their healthcare provider, as physical activity can increase your core strength.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.